On Udemy, your main focus when it comes to the title of your course should be SEO. As for the subtitle, SEO is important, but you also want to make it outcome and benefit focused, which when your target students see it, they become interested in the course, so they click on it to learn more. That's the entire purpose of the title and subtitle, to rank high enough and generate the click. One of the most important ways to rank a course for specific keywords, and the way this search algorithm works on Udemy, is they look at the keyword density, meaning the percentage of the number of times a keyword appears on the title and subtitle divided by the total number of words. So all you gotta do is repeat your target keywords as many times as possible in your course title and subtitle, but in a way that makes sense. Your go-to for doing this is Udemy Marketplace Insights, because you can check what the most profitable keywords for your course topic are, and you can just use them in your title and subtitle. There are other things that play a role when it comes to SEO, things like reviews, number of students, student engagement, etc. All you really gotta do is use the proper keywords, generate a ton of students and reviews, and if your course is high quality, it's gonna continue to gain momentum, and as a result, continue to outrank the competitors' courses. In a nutshell, this is how the SEO game works on Udemy. The moment your course stops receiving traffic, students, and reviews, that's when it starts falling down in rankings, but this is something you can always change doing what I just mentioned. I also want to talk about the USP here. What's your course's USP, or unique selling point? You want to choose something that your course offers that your target student probably can't get anywhere else. It needs to be a good USP, not just something to differentiate the course. Some examples of good USPs I use to sell online courses are complete training, practical, comprehensive, expert advice, etc. And I use these in the course's title and subtitle. The reason I use these is people want one effective solution to all their problems, so I use the phrase complete training. I'm not sure if I came up with this particular USB, but it was one of the reasons one of the courses I optimized in the past became a bestseller. I use practical because people hate courses that are theoretical but not practical. Comprehensive because most courses are too short. Expert advice because most instructors out there are not very experienced. So you get the point, right? So these are good USPs that got me great results. So what's your USP? It's not difficult to figure out. Just think about what students can get from your course that they might not be able to get anywhere else. What you could also do is see what USPs other instructors are using to sell their courses, then find out if you can create a better one. Hey guys, get ready to be impressed. I'm gonna show you a very cool thing that I did for two of my clients for two of their courses, and which generated awesome results. So one day I realized that one of the most selling course topics on Udemy was data science, right? I mean, if you go here, it says that the top monthly revenue for this particular course topic is 80 grand, which is insane. And one of my clients happens to be a data scientist. So I came up with an idea for a course, and what I wanted her to do is basically to use her existing content to create a very comprehensive data science course, which she did. And I asked her to give me 10% of the revenue, and I was going to take care of the optimization and the marketing side of things. All she had to do was use her existing content to create our new course, and I was going to do everything else. So what I did when she uploaded all the content onto Udemy, she added me as a co-instructor, and then I started optimizing the course. The first thing that I noticed on Udemy Insights is one of the top search keywords for this particular topic is obviously data science, and the other one is R. So I wanted us to create a data science course in R, how to use R specifically for data science, right? And the course was 30 hours. So obviously I use these two keywords in the title and in other places. Actually, let me show you right now. This is the course on Udemy. It has close to 5,000 students right now. An average rating of 4.3, And if you look at the title, because the focus of this lecture is the title and subtitle, I use data science a couple times in the title and a couple times in the subtitle. That's 4 times. And I also used R once here and another time here, so twice. So the other thing I did was I called the course Data Science Academy. Academy, this word communicates that the course is comprehensive, which it is. Remember when we talked about the USP, we said that one of the best USPs to use is complete. That's what this word right here communicates. Also the ultimate right here, the ultimate data science course with practical. Practical is another one. I talked about both practical and complete, okay? And the course is complete, by the way. It's 30 hours, like I mentioned already, right? And so if you go to Udemy and search for data science, obviously we're going for data science in R, because data science is one of the most competitive keywords on Udemy, if not the most competitive, right? So my goal was to rank for both data science and data science in R, right? It's sort of a long tail keyword. So if you search for data science in R, hit enter. These courses, by the way, were already existing. These courses were already the top in this category, so it's really tough to compete with them. As you can see, they have 16,000 ratings, which is insane, and here 6,000, 3,000, and our course is the 5th when you look for data science in R on Udemy. It's number 5. For data science, I think it's on the 3rd page, which is still good, right? Data science, scroll down, yeah, 2nd page. This is another course I helped Minerva rank highly. Complete data science training with Python. Same thing we did with the other course, data science in R. It's on the 2nd page, which is pretty cool. Scroll down. TensorFlow, this is another one. Same deal. So you can see that we've done this because data science is one of the most important keywords here. So obviously we're doing our best to rank for this particular keyword because it's the most profitable. So 3rd page. Voila, this is it. Data Science Academy. So it's on the 3rd page, which is pretty cool. That's for the first course. I want to show you another course. This is for Minerva's course. And the other course is called Complete SEO Training with Top SEO Expert Peter Kent. I came up with this title and subtitle for the course as well. And when Peter contacted me, actually, his course was not selling, so he made it private because of the lack of sales. And what I did to change this, literally overnight, I changed title, subtitle, I changed the image, and those 3 changes that I made this course one of the best-selling SEO courses on Udemy to date. This was, I think, at least one year and a half, at least, maybe 2 years. And so the title back then was SEO That Works or something like that. So I changed that. I used complete, as you can see here. Very powerful USB. And so complete training, right? And with top SEO expert. Peter is a top SEO expert, as he told me on a phone call. And he is also the author of SEO for Dummies, which is another SEO book that is well known in the SEO industry. So I used both things, right? So I also used his image right here, which communicates that the instructor is well known and recognizable. Also, this is a very neat trick that you can use to get more attention. And so the keywords for this particular course that we wanted to rank for are SEO training and SEO, right? Those are the 2 most powerful or most profitable keywords for this particular topic. So we used SEO twice in the title, SEO, also SEO training. And another time here, search engines, not really a keyword, but it can be used as a keyword. and search engine optimization. So at least 4 times. I did the same thing with Data Science Academy, right? And obviously this helped a lot. Put these courses in the top pages for these targeted keywords. Okay, so that's for the SEO part of things. As for the USB, I use Complete, like I said already, and Expert. I also said that that's one of the other best USPs to use, because most SEO courses out there are horrible and don't really teach legit SEO techniques that actually produce results. Okay, so if you go to Udemy and search for SEO training, for example, the course is the second, which is amazing. If we look for SEO, it's second still. This is amazing. So this is for the search terms, right? Ranking for these search terms. Let's see within the categories, okay? So we're gonna do the first one, Data Science Academy. So obviously this is in business, data analytics, and data science. So business, data analytics, and data science. Okay, it's not on the first page. It's on the second, as you can see here, Data Science Academy, which is pretty cool. Okay, now let's try the other course. So marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, or SEO, like that. Boom. It's number 3. This is very awesome. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to learn more about how to create, optimize, and promote online courses, just go to lahcen.thinkific.com. I'll leave a link below the video. Also, if you need help with your courses, you can get in touch with me today. My website is lahcen-morocco.com. Have a good one.